your construction of your of your project, you will need to develop a small model, and the small model will need to include the following. You will have a power source. I'm going to describe something about the power source in a little while. You're going to have wires. So let me extend these wires here, and we are going to create a, or how to say, we're going to put no shoot we're going to make a circuit, because your model needs to have a circuit, and we are going to put some bulbs in the circuit as well. Those are two bulbs here, and they're going to be also there. I want to stretch this to this. Oops, they didn't want him to move. To stretch. Okay, let's put him there, and I'm going to put this one here. Try to expand. Okay, I'm going to put it this side, and then we're going to put, oops, these are batteries. This shouldn't be there, man. Let me remove the batteries from there. That shouldn't have been there. There should have been wires. So let's put some wires here, and this is going to be our circuit. Oops, let me bring this out this side. You know what? I'm gonna put this also the way we would see our circuit as being parallel to each other, the light bulbs. So I'm gonna be putting it the way you would usually draw it on paper. You would usually have it this way, but mind you, you don't have to have papers parallel. I mean, wires seen parallel. They are also parallel in your house, although they don't seem parallel, but it is in parallel circuit. So I'll put that there as well, and let me extend some wires here. Oops. And I'm gonna put this here to join. So this is how we would usually see a parallel circuit. And I'm gonna put also a switch, because we need to turn on the power as well. Okay, so let me put here the switch. Oops, right there. Bring this down. Let me bring this in here as well, right there, and one more wire. So as you can see now, we have a circuit, a parallel circuit, because we have two lights in parallel. This switch will make the circuit complete, and so you see the light bulbs turn on. Okay, now because we have this turning on of the light bulb, you will need to be able to measure the voltage, and so you have your voltmeter here. So in reality, you will need to measure the voltage as well. Okay, you will need also to measure the amperage using the ammeter. So all the instruments that we have covered, we will need to be using in the circuit. And what would then happen if we take out a light bulb? Okay, so let me take out a light bulb. You see the light still continue, right? So this is the thing that we would want to be working on. But the main thing here, it would be the power source. Our power source will not be a battery, but it will be based on the research that we are doing, our project. What makes the best power source for our circuit or for our model? This would then be the diagram. This would be our goal. This power source makes it ideally for it to be work, and so we will have that as our work project.